Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to create subcategories on Shopify? That's exactly what I'm about to show in this video. It's very easy without using any applications. As you can see right now in front of me, this is jewelry category, and these ones are subcategories, which is our bracelet, earrings, and necklace. And this is basically a collection page. As you can see from the URL, this is a collection page and it shows subcategories for each category. So without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. After that, I'm going to access products from the left menu right here, then collection. So as you can see, I have bracelet, necklaces, earrings. This is all, they fall under the category of jewelry. So I want to create a category that's called jewelry that combines all of these subcategories, which is bracelet, necklace, earrings. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new collection. And this collection is going to be the one that holds them all together. So I'm going to name it jewelry. And you can do this actually on a separate page. In my previous video, I did do this on a separate page. Is this how you write jewelry? I have no idea. Anyway, so click on save. After that, you can add an image if you want to. In my case, I'm not. So make sure you don't add anything in here. You can add description if you want, but don't add any products because this one will not have products. It will have subcategories, which are the earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. After you create jewelry collection, get back to online store from the left menu, click on sales channel, then click on online store to access the section where you can customize the theme. And most important step is make sure you duplicate the theme. So click on the three dots, duplicate the theme. Do this on the duplicated theme. If you like the changes, click on publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. So in my case, I'm going to do it in here, then click on edit theme to open up the theme editor, and at the top of the page, click on home page, then click on collections and simply create a new template. Click on create template. I'm gonna name it sub-categories. After that, I'm gonna click on create template. Now it has been created, but it's not assigned to any collection. To assign a collection, exit from the theme editor, access again products, collections, and access the main one, which is jewelry. Click on it, and on here where it says theme template, click on default collection and select subcategory. After that, click on save. Wait for a couple of seconds, it's save it. Now we will get back again to sales channel, click on online store, and we will get back to the theme editor in here. And this time click on the three dots, not edit theme, and click on edit code. And after it opens up the code editor in here on the left panel, you will see this folders called section, this folder called sections. Click on it to be expanded, then click again, right click on the folder name and click on new file and simply name it sub-categories. But hold on, you need to add the file extension, which is .liquid. So make sure you add the file extension, which is .liquid at the end, then click on done. Now we need to add the code. And where are you gonna get that code? From me. So scroll down the description box and you will see a link. Click on it, we'll open up this page. Then simply use this button right here to copy the code. Get back to the code editor and paste it in the section that we did create. Click on save. Now we're done. Now get back to where you clicked on edit code. This time click on edit theme. Then simply navigate to the collection page that we did create, which is the new template, which is subcategories. If you click on it, now it says assign to one collection, which is jewelry. However, it's empty. The section says no products. You should see it or you should not, depends on your team. Simply click on it on the left panel right here on the section. Click on the eye icon, the one that's selected after you click on it. Click on the eye icon to be hidden. Now it doesn't exist anymore. Now on the left section here, click on add section button and simply search for nested, and you will see this section, nested collections, which is the subcategory section that we did add. Click on it and it will be added in here. And here on the left panel, on the right panel, or the left depends on your screen, you should see some options in here to customize background color, text color, and this title right here which says shop by category. You can edit it, and this is the big guy, which is nested collection. So you can click on it and select, as you can see, select the subcategories you want to display on this page. So click on it. I'm gonna look for bracelet, the first one, and earring, the second one, and necklaces, the third one. Now I have them both, but they don't look that great. No worries. You can customize this. As you can see, it says columns for desktop. I'm gonna do 3. Now there are 3 per desktop, and there is other options to customize this however you want. You can adjust the size, make them larger, or even make them smaller. This is based on your preference, and there is some other options to customize the cards or the section. They are self-explanatory. I don't know to explain them. You can just read the name and you know what they're doing basically. And now the last thing is access the menu and add it to the home page or to the drop down or whatever you want. But for now, this is how you create subcategories on Shopify. And basically Shopify will not let you do that, but me, I'll let you do it. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.